Hello friends, welcome to the CSS lesson. Today we will learn about the text underline offset property. It sets the offset distance of an underline for the text decoration line property or text decoration property. Last time we learned about how we can fix the broken underline by using the text decoration skip ink none. In continuation to that, here is another option that we can fix the broken underline. Type here text underline offset 10 pixels. We can see here the underline has shifted down, which helps us to avoid the broken underline. If we change this value to negative 45 pixels, our underline has shifted up where it covers the function of an overline. The text underline offset property can also work well with the text decoration property. We can see here it works the same with the text decoration property. Let's enter here wavy. Adjust here the value of the text underline offset property. Now it looks fine. If we place the underline at the center of the text, it looks like this, and it doesn't look nice. To use the underline as a line through, we can adjust this value and add here text decoration skip ink none. It will look clearer if we remove this wavy. Now our underline looks like a line through. So in short, we can say that the text underline offset property can help us to adjust the distance of an underline, fix broken underline, and use underline as line through and overline. That's it. Hope this helps you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay technically sound and spread love and compassion to all.